I don't know. You better to ask Honorable Chief Minister or High Command.
Sir, about KSRTC fare hike, sir. What is the final decision? When it will be done? When it will be implemented? And what is the
Implemented from
percentage,
yesterday
sir?
itself. It is implemented.
Okay. And how much is the percentage of increase to prices?
Increase 15%.
50.
15%. We will get around 1,200 crores every day, every year. That's all. Not more than that. But we are spending 8,000 at present. In 1 year, 8 months, we have spent 8,800 crores from government as subsidy to the corporations. We are getting 1,200 crores. That's all.
Is there an impact of guarantees, sir? The free scheme?
No, see,
nothing?
for guarantees we are spending. We already, government has given 8,800 crores as subsidy to the corporations. 8,800 crores. We are getting only 1,200 crores. That money we will spend for diesel and salaries. That's all.
So the ticket hike, they're saying it's a burden on the people. The BJP and JDS also a burden on the people.
Burden on people, I will accept. But another thing is, 5 years back, when the last fare hike held, no, at that time, we were spending 9 crores for diesel every day. Now, it is increased to 13 crores. 4 crores. 4 crores into 365. How much? And we were spending 12 crores for employees' salaries every day, 5 years back. Now we are spending 18 crores. Almost 6 crores plus 4 crores diesel. 10 crores we are spending more compared to last 5 years. How to manage? And another important thing is, when BJP government left power to us, there are 4 corporations liabilities, 5,900 crores. They left to us.
BJP people are demanding a Priyanka Kharge resignation. About
Not
Sachin
necessary. They don't have any moral right to ask Priyanka Kharge's resignation, because there are about 15 to 20 allegations on their BJP people, BJP government. All are inquiring.